Power down the Huawei Nexus 6P smartphone. Eject the Nexus 6P Nano SIM card tray. Apply heat to the plastic panel located at the bottom of the Google phone. Insert the precision knife underneath the plastic panel and create enough space to fit a playing card. Work the playing card under the plastic panel and remove it from the Nexus 6P. Apply additional heat as needed. Now turn your attention to the tight-fitting glass panel at the top of the Google phone. Apply heat and then with the precision knife create enough space to fit a playing card. Carefully slide the playing card under the glass panel and peel it off. Apply additional heat as needed. With the fine-tip curved tweezers, remove the two tamper-evident seals. Remove the following 6 Phillips screws. Use the precision knife to create space and insert a plastic triangle opening tool. Use the triangle opening tool to release the clips and pop the Nexus 6P out of its rear enclosure. Remove the following Phillips screw and then the metal bracket. Disconnect and remove the daughter board interconnect cable. Detach the battery connector from the motherboard. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws and then the metal bracket. With the tweezers, detach the signal cable from the Nexus 6P motherboard. Disconnect the Nexus 6P display assembly cable. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws, securing the Nexus 6P motherboard in place. With the tweezers, disconnect the signal cable and remove the metal bracket. The Nexus 6P motherboard is held in place with a gob of thermal paste. With the spudger, carefully pry it up and remove it from the phone. Use a spudger to detach the Huawei Nexus 6P 12.3 megapixel rear-facing camera from the motherboard and easily remove it. With the nylon spudger, detach and peel up the square Nexus imprint sensor.